Hi friends, welcome to sushmafeedfantasy. Today I am preparing butter chicken. So let's start now. Take half kg chicken. So first we prepare marinate the chicken. So cut into pieces. Add little salt as per your taste. Then add ginger garlic. Then 1 tablespoon lemon. Mix it nicely and keep it aside for 15 minutes. Then take one bowl, add onion, tomatoes and ginger garlic and spices. Add some cashews. Add 1 tablespoon Kashmir chilli. Mix it and add some water. Add some cardamom and cloves and pepper. Cook for 15 minutes, add little butter. Leave it for 15 minutes. Then nicely cooked. Then let it cool down and make a paste. Make a fine paste. So nicely it should be like this. Take any strainer and do like this. Then let's prepare the chicken tikka. So take mustard oil, or if you don't have mustard oil, take normal oil, cooking oil. Then add 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chilli. Mix it nicely. Add curd, 2 tablespoons of curd. And add 2 tablespoons lemon and add 1 tablespoon salt. Mix it nicely. After 15 minutes, so add chicken into the chicken tikka masala. Squeeze it and add it. Now mix it, keep it for 15 minutes. So take pan, add butter, now add little ginger garlic paste. After sizzling, we adding puree. Now add puree. Let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. So chicken tikka it's been 15 minutes. So now we gonna put in oven. Take a plate and grease the butter. So keep it in oven for 15 minutes or 15 to 20 minutes in 180 degrees centigrade. So in puree add water. Now we're gonna add after 15 minutes nicely cooked chicken. So we adding chicken into the puree. After adding chicken into the puree, now let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Then we're gonna add masala. So now we are adding masala. After 8 minutes, coriander and garam masala. Now we are adding cream. Now if you want more gravy, add water. Mix it nicely. Check the taste. If you want salt, add it now. Cook for 5 minutes. Now turn off the flame, add little cream and add coriander for garnish. If you like my butter chicken, like, share, comment. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Enjoy with your family. See you again in next video.